A very big hello to all my senior students of DRS International School, and today I just wanted to take a few moments to have a chit chat with you rather than a meditation, because every once in a while it's very important, I believe, to have a meaningful and a heart to heart conversation with all of you, because conversations can sometimes solve many problems, heal many broken hearts. And all of us are going through a very tough and a challenging and a very uncertain time at the same time because of this COVID 19 crisis. It's a pandemic. So, if I were to ask you, what is this new perspective that you have learned due to this pandemic which has been going on? And is there a new perspective which this pandemic has given to you in your life? What is it that you would like to change in your life due to your learnings during this lockdown? So, is it a relationship that you want to change? Is it a job, a project, or maybe a study stream which you might have picked up earlier, but now you feel that that is not your cup of tea and you would like to go for something else or try out something else, or maybe drop an entire year to just be able to figure out life on your own and be able to understand what are those things that you would really love to do and pursue. There can be so many areas in life, so many aspects about life which you have been thinking about during this lockdown, because time suddenly seems to have paused and suddenly we have a lot of time to introspect, dig deep, dive deep inwards, self analyze, and be able to answer these very vital questions about ourselves, our wants, our needs, our likes and dislikes, our goals, our objectives, our ambitions in life. There are so many questions which are running inside our head for which up till now we had had very less time to think about, to introspect. But now, because of this COVID 19 situation, all of us have had a lot of time at hand to do that self analysis and introspection and be able to analyze ourselves more closely, be able to understand ourselves better, and be able to understand what is it that we really want out of our lives. So, the single most project, I believe, when it comes to projects, and I was asking you if there is something in your life that you want to change. Is it a relationship? Is it a subject stream? Or is it a project? So, when we talk of project, I believe the single most project that right now should be the most important to you and you should be working on is yourself. Yes, yourself. And if you were to claim what you really want in life, what you really want out of your life, what would your life really look like? So, do you want to go back to the situation that you were living in before this lockdown period? Or would you like to change certain relevant aspects of your life altogether? Do you want to go back, or do you see this lockdown situation as a new opportunity? Opportunity based on what you have learned during this lockdown. Something that I like to call lockdown learnings. Because we have had so much time at our hands, I'm sure we have been learning so much about ourselves and our personal space, our professional space, our relationships, people around us. For adults, the jobs that they are indulging in. For students like you, the subject streams that you have already picked or you were planning to pick during all this time. So there has been so much time to think about these important decisions that you have to take in your life. So, my question to you, based on your lockdown learnings, would you like to go back to your previous life the way it was before this lockdown? Or do you want to change things about your life based on the lockdown learnings which you have imbibed in your life? So, if inside of you you hear things like, I want to get out of here, I want to change my subject stream altogether. This is not my cup of tea. My heart lies somewhere else. I want to do this and not that. This is what I want to really pursue, or this is what I really want to go after. I want to move close to the sea. I want to move close to the ocean. I want to go and live up there in the mountains. I want to go to the jungles. I want a retreat. I want a 2 week break or a vacation. I want to just cut away from all of this madness right now and just go into a self retreat. I want to meditate. I want to take out time for myself because I have not been able to. I want to just get away from this madness of the world, from this humdrum, from this rush of the world, and just be able to sit back and enjoy a quiet, private vacation by myself. Even though it might mean that the vacation has to happen right inside the comfort and the safety of my home. But yes, I want a vacation for 5 days or maybe over the weekend where I don't have to do anything, where I don't have to study or be accountable to somebody or be answerable to somebody. If you listen to these desperate and genuine voices running inside your mind, then you need to be able to pay attention to them. Listen to them. You need to be able to tune into them, my dear students of DRS. Tune in. And once you tune in, all you require is two things in your life, in your personality. Number one is confidence. Number two is courage. So you need confidence and courage to finally take action based on these voices that you are listening to inside your head. And then go give yourself a break if you need one. And then go and have this important discussion with your parents if you really feel like the time has come to change that subject stream which you had opted for a couple of months ago. And then go and have a talk with your buddy, with your best friend regarding any relationship that you want to get out of or probably want to pursue. If there is something important you want to say to somebody significant in your life, then now is the time to muster up that courage, to acquire that self-confidence and be able to step up, step out of that comfort zone and do that. Because lockdown is the time to have those relevant, meaningful conversations, not just with ourselves, but also with those special people around us, the people who are special and close to our hearts. In a nutshell, what I'm trying to tell you is that now is the most opportune time to make those changes in your life that you have been wanting to make. You want to make certain changes in your life? Now is the time. If you are sure of making those certain changes in your life, personal as well as professional, if you want to make certain changes in your student life, now is the time. And all you need is confidence and courage. Be able to step up, be able to rise up to the occasion, be able to step up to the occasion, step out of your comfort zone and take action to make those changes, to make those changes happen really in your life. Don't just keep thinking about those changes occurring in your life. Don't just keep dreaming of those changes. Convert those dreams into a reality. And how can you convert those dreams into a reality? By just taking action. Having said that, I would like to ask all of you to sit back and introspect. Sit back and reflect upon the points which I have told you through this video. Just sit back and reflect upon the knowledge points that I have shared with you through this video. Sit back, dig deep, dive inwards, introspect, self-analyze, find those answers about yourself and your life. Do you want to go back to your previous life? Or do you finally want to make certain permanent changes to your life so that it can turn for the better so that it can become even more qualitative and it can become more joyous, more happy, more peaceful, and more relevant and meaningful. Not just for yourself, but also for all those around you. Having said that, time for me to scoot. But before I scoot, I would once again like to request all of you to kindly stay home, stay safe, and be good. God bless you. I love you all. And before I finally wrap up this video, let me tell you that I'm going to catch up with all of you once again on this coming Wednesday with a brand new video, a brand new meditation. It's going to be a brand new day with a brand new meditation, a brand new chit chat, and a brand new conversation. And our friendship will continue. And my leadership towards all of you, and my responsibility towards each and every one of you, towards each and every student of DRS will continue. I love you all. Stay home and stay safe.